placed on the BiPAP, observed for a few hours, then taken off because a trach patient needs humidity. So without that humidity, what happens is the upper oral airway dries out, which could lead to death.
So when the doctor came in the morning to check on the patient, was the BiPAP still on?
Yes.
Do you know approximately how long it was on the patient?
Had to be approximately like 11 hours, 10, 11 hours.
Was Ms. Lopez responsible for that patient that day and night?
That night, yes.
Did you get to see this patient as well?
Actually, I was out of town, and I heard about the whole situation when I got back on Tuesday morning. So I didn't arrive back till the... Yeah, I came back to work on 28th, and was addressed and was informed of the situation.
Is this grounds for immediate termination?
Yes.
Is there any other testimony? Well, let me ask, Mr. Jordan, are you the one that informed Ms. Lopez that she was going to be discharged?
No, I talked to the CEO first, and then to find out his opinion and find out what was going on, and then from there, after he recommended termination, we basically wrote the situation up. We talked to the physician, who basically stated he didn't want her to work around any of his patients. And he's basically, every patient here is one of his patients. So I explained to the CEO if she can't work around any of his patients, she can't really work here as a respiratory therapist.
He felt that strongly about the situation.
Yeah, because it was also a whole lot of small things in the past, which, those small things were documented where the whole physician group, verbally complained to me over the last couple of years about these little small things that she wouldn't do. Like, being called at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning for things that she should have figured out herself while she's on shift. So, so initially she was placed on day shift to be trained for a period of about 8 months, and then we basically put her on night shift, and with various therapists. But
do you have any type of written warning regarding her work performance other than the one Ms. John spoke of back in 2015 of January?
Yes, I have a packet that had little things that were documented when she was talked to about critical thinking skills, post-thought physician interaction.
When was that?
That was October 15th also.
October 15 of what?
January 14th, 2015, about her poor interaction with the physicians.
Was there anything in 2017 or 2016?
No, not as far as physician interaction, no, because she worked the midnight shift. She didn't interact with the physician unless there was an emergency situation.
Okay.
So we have an on-call doc who actually comes to our physician, to our facility, and sleeps overnight. But the midnight shift doesn't have any real interaction with physicians unless there's an emergency situation.
Ms. Johns, do you have any questions for your witness, Mr. Jordan?
No, I don't.
Ms. Lopez, do you have any questions for Mr. Jordan?
Yes.
Okay, make sure it's a question. Go ahead.
I'd like to know what time the physician saw the patient. Or I'm asking when did the physician see this patient?
I don't know exactly what time. But, they arrive early in the morning, and they start where they start. You know, they start whatever patient they want to start with. And I don't know what order they're going every day, but I don't know exactly what time. I just know we saw him during his round that morning, that Saturday morning.
Okay.
So I don't know who he saw first, second, or third, but you know, when he got to that patient, that was his assessment.
Ms. Lopez,
Okay.
do you have any other questions for Mr. Jordan?
No.
Ms. Johns, who should I go to next?
If you have any questions for Mr. Sanchez, you could speak with him.
Okay. Mr. Sanchez, I will swear you in.
Okay.
Mr. Sanchez, do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you are about to give in this hearing shall be the truth, so help you God?
I swear.
Please state your name for the record.
Jose Sanchez.
And do you work at the Tucson Hospital?
Yes, I do.
What is your job position there?
Nursing officer, chief nurse, technical officer.
Did you observe the patient on February 24th?
I did not.
Do you have any firsthand information about this particular patient or the doctor's assessment of it that next morning?
Again, you know, I believe this was something that occurred over the weekend. I was made aware. I wasn't the administrator on call. I was made aware of the issue Monday morning, where the physician, which is a pulmonologist, he's one of the group, the PASA group that follows our patients. He actually called the administrator on call on the weekend and the CEO to verbalize how he felt that Ms. Lopez was was not performing as and providing the care that our patients need. We do have a high acuity patient population, and with this particular one, it's a respiratory patient, which the lack of assessment and the lack of appropriate intervention could have led to an incident where the patient could have been harmed.
Did you